Jesus, I'm rusty. Something a bit more intelligible. Hello to both of you, dickheads. Don't know why he's giving me the thumbs up. Check the lights. Brake light, rear brake, flasher. Let's go. Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And so I'm gonna try yet again to complete the vlog for this week. I have started it 2 or 3 times. I haven't been able to finish it for one reason or another, either because I get distracted by idiots in traffic.
Flashback. A few inches later.
Hello to both of you, dickheads.
End of flashback.
Or because my battery runs out.
Flashback.
I did mention Epic Adam because he basically moaned a little bit that I hadn't mentioned him in the previous one. But then again, hey Adam, you're not giving me shout outs. Here's a shout out for you, Epic AdamMotovlogs. Go check him out. He's kind of
End of flashback.
because I forget what I'm trying to talk about. And yet again, it's the reason why I actually did a voiceover vlog the other day, because then it allows me to actually work on the content, work on what I'm trying to say, and not be interrupted and distracted, and yeah, whatever. I think most people had positive comments about the voiceover, but that's the advantage of doing it. The disadvantage is I think it does come across a little bit staged and rehearsed. Well, it's because it is. What are you doing? There you go. Got distracted again, didn't I? So, and the last one, the one with the voiceover, I wanted to make sure that I covered all of the people who have given me shout outs, and I think I started going over the list of channels that haven't given me shout outs, but that doesn't matter. I still like them. I still do like them and watch them and support them. You don't have to give me a shout out for me to give you a shout out. I'm just going to talk about the stuff that I'm actually enjoying watching. Odd that, isn't it? Well, obviously the one, Epic AdamMotovlogs, I always enjoy watching his stuff. He's a very funny and entertaining man. I do enjoy the channel. See, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to carry the train of thought in this mess. But one of the channels I enjoy watching, DeweyRides, I really enjoy watching his rides in the Pacific Northwest of the USA, and as I understand it, soon to be further afield. I think it's starting to sound like he's going to go around the world. I also always enjoy watching Patrick of Motoramblings, and congratulations Patrick on your retirement. Here's to much more time to go and ride. I've been following SOLOMOTOUK UK's quest for satisfaction with his bikes. I think he had 2 Royal Enfields, and he became very dissatisfied with some corrosion or some build quality issues and decided to trade them in, and he's gone for a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX, which was previously known as the Z1000 SX. It's pretty much the same bike that I have, except his is more tricked out. It's got a TFT dash and quick shifters and all that jazz. So congratulations Derek, I'm sure you would not regret switching to that bike. I know I love my Z1000, and I highly recommend the Z1000 to anyone. Although I am starting to make come hither eyes and doe eyes with some other bikes. I might be going on some test rides soon. I think so. Just to try things out, just to spice things up a little bit in the garage department, if you know what I mean. Very quick acceleration to 20 miles an hour that the car has. Don't know to take, you idiot. Anyway, look at that beautiful winter's night in London. Look at the colours, fantastic. Of course I have to mention HippoDrones. His channel has been an inspiration for a long time, and Pete's such a nice chap, and I'm really looking forward to going on his road ride at the end of I want to say April. My memory is terrible. Guys, just to let you know, I've had a week of very, very intense work. In fact, the clock now is 6:30, which means I left work around 6 p.m. I got there about 7:30 a.m. today, and it's been intense, meeting after meeting, project after project, and that is a fairly average representation of how the week has gone. So forgive me if I sound tired and I pause and mumble and and ah. It is for a good reason. Unlike epic AdamMotovlogs, my channel isn't monetized, and so I can't make a living out of telling stories on YouTube. I actually have to go into an office and write emails and attend meetings for a living, and it's proving to be a challenging period for us with our recently founded consultancy firm. We're trying to gain some new business so we can keep the wonderful young people that we have employed in employment, in fact. why are there so many roadworks? I have been enjoying following the Milton Keynes crew. That's TheRhythmicBiker and Uncle Red. They both have new bikes. These guys, they do everything together. They go on rides together, they change bikes together. They start in wolf tails together. It's an incredible friendship. It's something to be cherished. A new channel I've been watching, and I think she's been putting out some great content, is Lady J Rider. She's based somewhere in Wales, and I'm looking forward to perhaps meeting up with her and Grumps Rides when I do a little tour of Wales later this year. Not learning much, are you? Somebody else has reached out to me about hooking up when I'm meeting up. Come on, you know what I mean. Don't go there. Meeting up and doing some riding together when I'm in Wales. It's Smithster on two wheels. I think it's more in the North Wales area. And craigyllyn, who is another channel I really enjoy following, with his CRF 250 adventures and tales, allegedly, in Wales. Thank you very much. Cheers. Is the police going to use the cycle lane? I think so. There you go. See, these cycle lanes do not stop emergency services. The wonders of London traffic. Are you broken down? There is the Tower of London and Tower Bridge. Haven't seen them in a while because I've been taking a different route to get home. I've been going up through the West End and Old Street in Shoreditch, but today I looked on Waze and this looked like it was the better route, or the faster route, even though it is a little bit longer in distance. Well, my friends, that's it, I think, for this vlog. I'm going to have to stitch it together from maybe 3 or 4 different bits of recording footage, find the nicest bits and put them together into something that makes sense. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you did, give us a like. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Don't know why he's giving me the thumbs up. Either way, don't forget to leave a comment below telling me what you did like and what you didn't like. Do you follow any of these channels that I've mentioned? What are you looking forward to? I love the interaction with you guys. So yeah, I hope to catch you in the next one. But for now, from the Limehouse Tunnel, this is bye bye and noob out.